Hello, in this video, we are going to explore Mica, a free mental health application. Mica is a wonderful app jointly developed by VOPA and Parivartan organizations to promote mental health awareness. The best part is, it's completely free and available in Marathi language. To download the Mica app, simply go to the Play Store, type Now click on Install to download it. Once the app is downloaded, open the app. Now enter your login details. And you will see this dashboard. Now let's explore the feature of the Mica application. First, let's start with the reminder feature. On the dashboard, you will see an interface that resembles a calendar. This is the reminder section. Here you can set various reminders to help you stay organized and consistent with your self-care routine. For example, if you want to set a reminder, then click on Go for a walk and you will see a message. Below the message, you can select a date and time for the reminder. One app will send you a notification at this scheduled time. Next to the reminder section, you will notice a bell icon. This represents notification. This section is your go-to space for receiving updates. You will receive daily notifications related to mental health tips, personal well-being, special events, or updates about new content on the Mica app. Notifications are versatile. They can appear as simple text messages, inspirational images, or hyperlinks that direct you to more detailed content. Below the notification section, you will find an image display. This is the wallpaper feature. Every day, a new motivational or inspirational wallpaper is updated here. These wallpapers are designed to promote mental well-being and provide you with a positive start to your day. Moving on, let's explore the daily activity section. This is where you can find self-care tips, mental health advice, and a variety of other useful information. The content in this section is updated daily, offering fresh insights and practices to improve your mental health. Below the daily activity section, you will notice 5 tabs. First is My Mental Wellbeing. Second is Mental Health Education. Third is Chat with Mica. Fourth is Stories and Puzzles. Fifth is Helpline. Let's go through each of these features one by one. So first is My Mental Wellbeing. First is Self-Assessment. Take tests on topics like stress, mood, or general well-being. For instance, if you are feeling low, you can take a self-assessment test like depression to evaluate your mental well-being status. Second is Mood Calendar. Sections allows you to track your mood daily by choosing from 12 moods options. At the end of the week or month, you can review your mood pattern. Third is Personal Diary. Write your thoughts, tasks, or notes in this section to reflect on your day or plan ahead. Fourth is Breathing Companion. Access guided breathing exercise present in simple Marathi through audio and text format.
अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम याचे अनेक फायदे आहेत. या प्राणायाममुळे श्वास घेण्याची कृती सुधारेल, रक्तदाब नियंत्रित होईल, तणाव कमी होईल आणि मन शांत होईल.
This
चला मग
exercise
सुरू
help
करूया.
you relax and are great for daily practice. This guided exercise. Explore simple exercise that you can perform during your free time to stay active
आवाजात मोकळेपणा
and
येण्यासाठी
refreshed.
आपण पुढे काही मोकळीका घेणार आहोत. तुम्ही माझ्या मागे म्हणा आ ई ई उ.
Guided meditation. Discover short 10 to 15 minute meditation videos to help you relax and focus. These are easy to follow and beneficial for everyone. Now second tab is mental health education, which contain 7 detailed courses like suicide prevention training, आत्महत्या प्रतिबंधक प्रशिक्षण, emotional first aid, भावनिक प्रथमोपचार, etc. Each course contains different modules that are created by using a combination of different type of digital elements such as text, images, GIFs, videos, PDFs, PPTs. You can explore these modules with features like auto reading, zoom in or zoom out, and progress tracking. For instance, if you open the emotional first aid course and click on the module मन म्हणजे काय, you will see all the related information displayed in an engaging format. Third tab is chat with Micah. If you feeling talking to somebody and want to express your feeling, you can ask question here. This is your trustworthy friend, Micah chatbot. You can express yourself, share and ask anything to it. Fourth tab is stories and puzzles. In this section, you will find case studies based on relatable themes like love stories, emotions, or real life scenarios. Each stories come with related questions and solutions, offering both entertainment and learning. Fifth tab is Helpline. This provides you with 4 essential helpline numbers. If you ever find yourself in need of assistance, you can call any of these numbers for support. Additionally, you can use the WhatsApp support feature to message the provided number for any questions or additional information about the Micah app. And that's the Micah app. We hope this demo video has given you a clear understanding of its features and how it can help you prioritize your mental well-being. Thank you for watching and don't forget to download the Micah app today